Good day, folks. This is the Max Bot channel. This is a new word in trading. Get a unique robot assistant for free at the link in the description. It collects indicator data in real time and presents them in a convenient format, immediately giving a recommendation. In a month you will only be able to get the bot for a fee, so hurry up. And to not miss new fiery content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Give a like and comment. Friends, my team really appreciates your feedback. Okay, here we go. I opened the first deal on the currency pair Euro, Pound. 5 minutes. The first recommendation from the artificial intelligence is active buy. But I'll be vigilant. 2 indicators are red. The robot showed it. I'll keep that in mind. It means sellers can make a powerful move, catch a powerful momentum. In that case, I'll adjust my action. I can see from the historical data long flat periods, I can see that the bulls have been saturating the market well with volume in the past half hour. But the bears didn't let the price go far up. Well, let's watch. I have specially increased the speed of price movement for easy viewing and to save your time. By the way, if you take the bot for free using the link in the description, you will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. But that's not all. You will also have access to VIP chat with predictions. Let's be real for a second. If you're watching this, you probably felt the sting of the market flipping against you. The frustration, the self-doubt, that voice whispering, maybe this isn't for me. I get it, but let me tell you something loud and clear, you're not losing. You're learning. The only difference between those who make it and those who quit. The ones who make it stay in the game. But staying in the game isn't just about motivation. It's about playing smart. And if you're serious about trading, about actually making this work, it all starts with money management. Imagine stepping into a fight with no armor. No protection. Just hoping you don't get hit. That's what trading without money management looks like. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you're risking massive chunks of your account on every trade, you're not trading. You're gambling. Here's the rule every pro trader lives by. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital per trade. Why? Because trading isn't about hitting jackpots. It's about staying in the game long enough to let your skills and strategy work. If you risk too much, a few bad trades can wipe out weeks or months of progress. But when you control risk, you give yourself a chance to bounce back. Picture your trading account as a fortress. Oversized trades? That's you tearing down your own walls. Small, controlled risk? That's you reinforcing your defenses. Protect your capital, because once it's gone, the game is over. In the meantime, I used a martingale strategy. Why? Because yes, those 2 red indicators that the bot showed, they made sense. The sellers were able to put up significant resistance and drive the price down. But I decided to take advantage of the prospect of further upside from this local low. Yes, the bulls are not going to give up. It worked, guys. My symbiosis of common sense and detailed analytics from MaxBot did the trick. I made money, I got out of the situation. That's the essence of trading. Now I'm going to work with the Aussie-American dollar currency pair, 1% of the amount in my pocket, 5 minutes, expiry time. Neural net signal is neutral. What does that mean? It means that there is no particular preponderance of either buyers or sellers right now. It indicates that the situation can change very quickly. I went down because I want to try to take advantage of the local momentum. Sellers have shown better volumes now. I will keep an eye on the situation. I am ready to adjust my tactics when I need to. Historical data shows long periods of sideways movement and that sellers were more powerful in terms of volume saturation in the last minutes, but the bulls are waking up. Attention friends, we have another contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for 1 random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. I know it's tempting to swing for the fences. You see those flashy screenshots online, massive wins, quick gains, and think, why not me? But here's the truth. The real pros aren't hunting jackpots. They're stacking consistent, small wins. Think of trading like planting seeds. You don't plant a seed today and expect fruit tomorrow. You water it, you nurture it, you let it grow. Each profitable trade, no matter how small, is a seed. A 1% gain here. A 2% gain there. Stacked over time? Massive results. Consistency builds wealth. Impulse destroys it. Losing feels personal. It feels like you're failing. But here's the truth. You're not failing. You're leveling up. Every loss is a lesson. Every red trade is feedback. Think of it like a sculptor chipping away at stone. The first few strikes? Ugly. Messy. Pieces everywhere. But over time, the masterpiece reveals itself. Your masterpiece is being built with every mistake corrected. The only traders who truly fail? The ones who walk away before they finish the sculpture. Guys, I just used a hedging strategy. Why? I noticed that things have really changed dramatically and the bulls are feeling much better than when I started trading. I caught this momentum. I took into account the neutrality of the signals from the indicators, thanks to the bot. So, my profit for 2 trades is $845. Get the handy assistant bot for free from the link in the description, friends. See you soon.